It's a rattlesnake?
There's no rattle.
Oh. Is his head round or triangular? Huh? I'm getting a great video of your butt.
Yeah.
That's a real snake, Daddy. Be careful.
You got a trash bag? Did he get you? They've got a bag, Noah. Oh, way to go. You need a stick. Bull snakes aren't poisonous though, but they eat mice. He doesn't have a rattle though.
Yeah.
Oh, almost.
I'm not gonna help you.
He's so pissed at you.
Yeah.
You better not get bit, mister. No, Logan, not safe. I don't want to kill it though. Yeah, maybe. The compost one might be the easier one. Where's your flute, Noah? Start charming the snake.
Right? Really what I need is a stick.
I'm fresh out of sticks, man. Yeah, fling it in your in the neighbor's trash can. You're gonna like bash its head in. Ah! Oh my gosh. He is so pissed. Did you squish him?
No. He's alright. Now I might be caught at least. Yeah, I know. You don't like that.
Are you sure you want to do this, Noah?
Stop it, head off.
Snakes are good for the environment though, Logan. You don't want to kill them. But you don't want to get bit by them either.
Right?
Stop it, head off. Stop.
Your life insurance policy is current, right?
Like, I don't want to let go.
Noah, maybe just leave it. Let it crawl in their yard.
You want to have animal control come get him? He's big.
They just need to put him in like the open space where he'll be happy.
Right? Maybe put the bag over his head. So what I'm trying to do is get
I like the bag over the head idea, but
side here. You can't move his head around. And
do not get bit, sir.
you take his head, grab right by his head.
Yeah, don't.
I would put the bag over his
I like her idea. You're crazy, sir. Oh, there you go. Crawling in the bag. Yeah, he's in the bag. Now what? You're gonna walk up the street. He's not coming to my car. Don't let him crawl out after all that work. Can you pull the blue ties?
I don't want you to die.
I don't think he'll suffocate in the time it'll take you to walk him to the open space.
Is there a way through somewhere close?
There's like a,
You just got out.
All that. All that work for nothing. Maybe just leave him.